Hello, my friend. Welcome to my section entitled Suggestions for Standardized Testing. The first thing that I want to suggest to you about standardized testing is that you have the attitude that your students are going to do well. That is critical. It is critical that all year long you let them know that you have great expectations of them on the test. But the second thing I want to talk to you about is what I call my ABCs of testing. My friends, you must give your students actual strategies to use during the test. Give them these strategies early in the year and let them use them on every major test and quiz you give during the year. Have them write those strategies on the test paper, on the quiz paper, so they're thoroughly familiar with them by the end of the year. My ABCs of testing are very simple. My letter A stood for this: always answer every question. They had to write that on the test paper to remember that that's a big thing I want them to do. Always answer every question. You get nothing for leaving anything blank. The letter B. B was be sure you can support every answer you give. Make sure they can do that. And again, they have to write this on the test paper. And the letter C. The letter C is to check and then double check your answers after you have given them. I call them the ABCs of testing. What I want you to think about is this. What are three simple things that you want your students to do all year that you know will help them do well on the standardized test? And call them your ABCs. It may be always do this, be sure to do that, and carefully consider for the letter C. But have your ABCs of testing so your struggling learners can show how much you have taught them during the year. These are some suggestions for helping struggling learners on a standardized test.